참을라 참디다시들래 같은 말이 거의 다 다른 년통 대세칭에 세다 춘주지 쉬야예 산이 쇼게 아니 자연 부치기 너베기 시대 생다 아니 기 로스움지 송아 그외 뒤테라 아니 아주 간주 돌아 참모기 뇌네 산이 쇼게 줄라칸라 제고 융뇌라 아주 이셔나 탑데 안 차지 치예 안 미망소 칸망망 페로나 안디냠들라 아니 닝고제라 아주 아니 단다 노블링가라 토기 샵들링기 고치치체 아니 산이 닝공 코란소 닝고 셀라타 아니 셰도 땅공메 셀라타 고셰타 아니 셔나 탑데 라소바 하사야 망고 고치치샤 안데레 미망소 칸망망 잡주시네 페로나 참말라 사인제 연타시들레.
And you know Bob Thurman is probably all known, professor. And he grabbed me and he said, you know, I saw the film that you guys made about His Holiness, Wisdom of Compassion, Wisdom of Happiness. And I said, yeah? And he said, Richard, I think it's the most important thing you've ever done. You've done so many important things, but this one is the most important thing you've done, this movie on His Holiness. And I realized that, you know, I'm a very successful person. I'm very fortunate to be an actor. I make some money. And my kids, I have health care for my kids, I can pay the mortgage, I have these advantages that I don't take lightly. But the most important thing in my life has been coming into close contact with His Holiness the Dalai Lama. The most important thing that could possibly happen to me. And by extension, all of us who are His Sangha, and we're working so closely, not just for ourselves, but for all sentient beings. Everything we do to keep the community together is so that we have the energy and we have the power and we have the bodhicitta to really have an effect in the world. In doing that, obviously we serve His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So nothing can go wrong with that motivation. And always remembering that His Holiness is looking over our shoulder. But I want to thank you all for being here.
So